Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an Azure account, appropriate RBAC rights, and a target resource group. Next, open the Azure portal or use Azure CLI. I'll show the portal flow first so you see visuals. Create a storage account resource and pick a unique name and region. Make sure to select the storage kind, storage v2, and performance tier. This affects cost and latency. Once done, you'll be ready to add a container and set access rules. Now you configure the details that determine behavior and resilience. Choose replication, LRS for single region, GRS for geographic redundancy, and performance. This balances cost versus availability. Under data protection, enable soft delete and lifecycle rules to avoid accidental loss. Create a blob container and decide access: private by default or blob/container for public reads. Make sure to finish by uploading content and validating access paths. You can drag files in the portal, use as storage blob upload, or Storage Explorer for bulk operations. SDKs allow programmatic control. Secure access with SAS tokens for temporary permissions or managed identities for apps. Rotate keys rarely. Once uploads complete, test downloads and monitor metrics. If something goes wrong, check the storage account firewall, virtual network rules, and IAM assignments first. These are the most common blockers. Then review diagnostic logs to pinpoint issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.